girls and boys. You have problems with the tension on your machine, the bobbin threads are pulling to the top. Well, this is what your bobbin casing, after you pull it out, this is what it looks like underneath. See all this? All this lint? This has to come out. Look at this. This is unbelievable. So don't forget to take out your bobbin carriage, this little thing, and clean inside your machine occasionally. Don't blow it out because it'll blow it deeper into the machine. You got to brush it out or vacuum it out. But that stuff is your enemy. Now that it's all clean and I've cleaned out my basket here for my bobbin with my brush, I got inside in between all these little metal pieces, which is the leaf spring. Got all the lint out. You just drop the bucket back in, and then I take the gray piece and it goes in with this flat little side and this little hook at the bottom down first. Pops that right into place. And then your feed dog also just then your throat plate just pops into place too. You slide the back in first and then it just snaps down. And you're ready to go.